Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a mini haul and unboxing from Bath and Body Works. Also, stay tuned for the end of this video because I have a few recommendations. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Here are the products that I bought in this box. Just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored. I am a big fan of fragrances, whether it's body mist, body wash, and soap or candles. Do you guys like fragrances? If so, what is your go-to brand and what is your favorite fragrance? Please leave a comment down below. If this video is to your liking, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you are new, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any uploads. The first product is a aromatherapy foam bath and body wash. It has a smooth and thick texture and the aroma is very comforting. In other words, it has a sweet yet very pleasant aroma. This one is another aromatherapy foam bath and body wash. The texture is also thick and smooth. I would describe this scent as delicate. It is not overpowering at all. It gives you a sense of relaxation and it smells really sweet. The thing I love most about these two products is that a little goes a long way and it leaves a lasting smell. The next two products gives the same fragrance. These two reminds me of cocoa butter and shea butter, but they gives off a strong sweet smell. The body cream leaves your skin feeling silky and moisturized. The shower gel is rich and it leaves your body with a fresh smell. These two also leave you with a lasting smell. The next product is a foam and soap. This one has a very soapy texture. It gives off a sweet and strong smell. This is also a foam and soap. If you are a fan of tangerine, then this one is for you. It has a strong but pleasant aroma. These are all the products that I got in the box. Let me move on to the recommendations. These are a few of my recommendations from Bath and Body Works. I am recommending these products because I absolutely love them and I'm sure you will love them too. In just about anything, the Black Cherry Merlot fragrance is strong, sweet, and very pleasant. I highly recommend these two foam soap fragrances. black cherry merlot, and champagne toast. Another recommendation is the black cherry merlot body cream. The next one is a body spray or body mist. This one is Perfect Peony. I'm not sure if I'm saying the name correct, but this gives off a strong fragrance. The next one is You're the One. This one has a rich fragrance and a sweet smell. And the last one I will be recommending is Golden Sunflower. You should definitely try this fragrance. I hope you like these recommendations and you will add them to your cart. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!